dokie. One cedar rectangle. Now let's just build the whole thing. And then I got 3 boards that I want to try and center under here. So the easiest way to do that is flip it over. Hold on. We'll clean up. Oh, man. And that is good enough for government work. So I made my marks. No, I can basically as long as I get one on here. Ooh, hold on. Time for my other favorite toy. Quick clips. I'll line these up. Clamp. And a couple screws. And there we go. Quick, easy little sitting bench. It should be just high enough, but if I really wanted, I can get some more and cut some legs and put some legs on there like this. I just don't need it really to be that high, so just better than sitting on the bottom pretty much. So there we go. Okay, so that was how to make a nice little cedar bench for the hot tub. And that's about it. I'm going to throw this one together, but you guys don't need to watch me do that. And then I'm going to go set up the hot tub. So stay tuned. More incoming. Thanks for watching, and remember, like and subscribe for more, because the subscription will send you updates on the new ones. Have a good one, guys.